Hi guys, I'm just making wraps, so I thought that I'd tune in and show you what I'm doing. So I've made some spinach wraps, I've made some plain wraps, and I've also made some carrot wraps that I'm currently turning here. So love making wraps for the kids and ourselves for lunches and things. Wraps have a lot of additives in them normally, so a spinach wrap normally wouldn't actually have spinach in it. It would normally just have a food colouring in it. So it's not actually normally a spinach wrap. So just be aware when you're purchasing wraps, have a look at the additives on the back, have a look at the list of additives on there and go from there. All these guys have in them is flour, water, butter, and you can pop a bit of salt in there if you want. And then I've put spinach in this one, I've put nothing in the bottom ones, and I've put carrot in these guys. They're beautiful and bright coloured. So I thought it'd be nice to have some rainbow colours for the wraps. So when you cook them, so put all the ingredients together. If you've got a Thermomix, pop it in the Thermomix. If you don't, just put them all together in a bowl, stir them around, and then knead it for 5 minutes. Then what you do is I'll just turn these guys, is you put them into little balls. I've got 9 or 10 for the kids wraps because they don't need huge wraps. If you're wanting bigger wraps, you might get 7 or 8 out of each one. So it's 400 grams of flour, a full cup of water, 2 tablespoons of butter or coconut oil, a dash of salt if you want it, and that's it. So, and then I've put in my extra flavours obviously. So then you knead it for 5 minutes and then pop them out onto little balls and then make them into your flat wraps. Now I find that if I do them a bit flatter, they're easier to manoeuvre later on, so you can move them around. And I also like to put them in the freezer. So these are for going back to school and work for this term, and just try and have some things in the freezer that we can use. So my son will probably eat these by themselves, but my daughter will have some lettuce in it. So yeah, enjoy and happy cooking. Bye guys.